Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have an awesome video for you guys today. I got a comment from Matt asking if I could make a video on Raleigh, North Carolina, and of course I can. Now if you guys want me to make a specific video on a specific city or a specific state or a specific unit even, just go ahead and comment down below and I will love to make you a video. Now before I jump over to the Zillow, I want to just jump over to Redfin weekly housing market data, and I want to show you how you can see that in Raleigh, North Carolina, unfortunately, prices have not come down, okay? They kind of been stabilizing. Now, we know around this part right here, Fed rates went up, and across the entire United States, you see a crash. But look, North Carolina, that did not happen. Now, we did see a drop right here. I mean, this is when the interest rates really went up, like 3-4 weeks ago, or whatever. And yeah, we did see a crash, but then it kind of jumped back up. Now, I could tell you, right, that 2 weeks ago, the Feds raised the interest rates. And then mortgage banking raised the interest rates 2 weeks ago. Then last week, the inflation report came out, and it's terrible, terrible news, right? It's bad news. So yesterday, the mortgage rates went up above 6.3%. Then the Feds are indicating that the Fed rate is going to go up by the end of the month. By some people are saying maybe even 1 percentage point. So you could see the mortgage rates will then go up as a result soon after, right? So what is going to happen to the market here in Raleigh? Well, I believe that it is going to come down, right? But just looking at it means, just looking at it right now, I mean, the market is hot. Market is definitely staying up. I mean, 3 years ago in 2019, the average price was $286. Now it's $434. That's a huge increase, right? Now, is this sustainable? Is it going to be sustainable with the high interest rates, with the slowing of the economy? Remember, when the Feds raise the interest rates, it doesn't just hurt real estate. It hurts the entire economy. Why? Because there's a lot of companies out there that they borrow money to be basically to run their daily operations, right? Companies sometimes they'll produce a lot and then they send it out. They're not going to get paid back for 6 months on their product, right? So they need money. They need to borrow money from the banks to be able to keep that payroll going, right? To be able to pay their vendors and whatnot. So again, when the interest rates go up, that means that they're now paying more for that borrowed money. So basically, the result is it slows down every part of the economy. Now, again, are these prices going to stay high in Raleigh, or are they going to start coming down? I predict that if you come down in the next 3 months, this is definitely going to be on the way down. I do not think the prices are going to, flatline how they have been, for the past few months, because again, we have less buyers. Now let's jump over to Zillow and see what we got. Now I got to tell you, I have been to Raleigh, North Carolina. It is really nice. I have family that lives here, and it is affordable somewhat. But let's see what we can get here. Well, I could tell you, wow, look at that, $500,000. Here is a really nice house, $15,000 price, got $360,000, 2,200 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This is a big house, okay? Decent. So the bedrooms are going to be nice. $360,000 is a nice price for 2,200 square feet, plus $15,000 off is letting you know that, hey, these guys are motivated. These guys are very, very motivated because that's a nice price cut. Again, 360 is digestible for 2,200 square foot. This house is really nice. Off the bat, I would tell you I would rip that carpet and put floors. So I would want to save a little bit of money for that. Driveway looks nice. The front of the house looks nice. Looks really clean. Kitchen, again, completely move-in ready. The kitchen, I wouldn't touch it. I would definitely get rid of the carpet. Although the carpet looks nice, it doesn't look, well, it's got some stains. I would rip it completely. That would be probably the first thing I do. And maybe if I had the cash, I would see how many square feet are in the bottom. But basically, I would rip out the floors in the kitchen too, and make it one solid, maybe wood vinyl, or maybe tile that looks like wood, right? All the way through. So again, bathrooms look nice. This house is move-in ready. It's probably gonna have an HOA and $40 a month. Quarterly. HOA is like nothing. Backyard looks needs a little bit of work. It needs a little bit of love, tender love and care. But again, if you get the house for 360, and with if you love this house and you couldn't walk away from it and you had to buy it in this economy, I would offer 325 and see where they come back, and then kind of negotiate and kind of, say, hey, market's crashing. You could come back in like 6 months and maybe this house could be worth $300,000, right? So again, that's where we're at. It's a buyer's market. But, $15,000, it's not, they're motivated, but, again, it's not the biggest price cut. Now look at this. This is $20,000 off, $360,000. Again, nice size house, 2,200 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3-bath. This house shows really, really nice. Look how pretty that house is, right? So there's negotiation right here. You don't have to buy the last one because now the second one we saw, these guys are motivated, $20,000. And you get, about the same size house. You get an extra bedroom. The inside looks nice. Look at that. You got hardwood floors, nice tile. Let's see how the kitchen is moving ready. This is a nice house. It's a big house. You got, a nice, wow, look at that. Nice backyard. Now you can see your neighbor. I don't know about that. I mean, would you put a fence right here to have more privacy? Well, that's up to you. But no, this is nice. You could work on that backyard a little bit for sure. So again, they seem like they're motivated. I'm seeing some really nice houses here in Raleigh. Really, really pretty. I'm only kind of want to outline the price cut ones. Look at this. These guys are motivated. There's probably something wrong with this house. Let's look. $24,000 off 275, 1,300 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. That is a big price cut for $300,000. Let's look. The inside looks really nice. Now, this is a small house, so the bedrooms are going to be small. The kitchen looks move-in ready. And it needs a little bit of work, but this is super cute. You get a lot of land. You could always, expand the house if you have a little bit of money. 275, man, that's not bad. If if maybe it's a 1-story, so that's kind of nice. Maybe if you're like an older couple or something, this could be a nice little house. It doesn't look like there's a lot to take care of, man. And I'm telling you, this is a really nice area. There's some lakes. There's a lot to do in North Carolina, and it's becoming more and more popular. Let me see if I could find something pretty with a nice price cut. Look at this. This is nice. $25,000 off, $425,000, 2,200 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath. Very pretty, like the yellow. I mean, yellow is one of those, that the house has to be right, and this house fits the color perfectly. Love the driveway. Love this house. My God, $425,000. They're motivated, $25,000 off. This is one of those situations. You walk in here, you love the neighborhood, you can't walk away. You just can't walk away. And then you got to make huge, huge decision, right? Because the market is crashing. You know that any price that you pay, you're overpaying. So now it becomes a negotiating power. If they smell that you love the house, it becomes sort of a problem because then they're going to keep their price firm. So you got to walk in here and find something wrong with it, right? You gotta figure something out. You gotta find something wrong that, you could sit there and use that as negotiating power. Here's the problem. There's nothing wrong with this house. This house is awesome. It's completely awesome. So yeah, so basically you get okay. Here's your negotiating power. It's in the middle of nowhere. Okay, it's literally in the middle of nowhere. Look, this house over here has a little lake. So basically, you use that to your advantage. You say, hey, market's crashing, blah, 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 this and that. Nobody's going to buy this and whatever. Anyways, I would say offer $399, see if they take it. And if you love it, you might have to bite the bullet, but look at that. Look how pretty that kitchen is. These guys put some money into this house, and they are definitely kept it really, really nice. This is a beautiful, beautiful house. Very, very nice. The only thing is that, unfortunately, it's in the middle of nowhere. You're going to be playing basketball basically by yourself. What else is there? So there's some nice houses out here, man. That was just on the first page. I mean, We saw beautiful houses for under $500,000. That's a great sign. So obviously, in Raleigh, I would say anything, if you could walk away with something really nice for under $500,000. And there's so many to choose from. I mean, I could just look, I'm just scrolling and it's like, yeah, here, let's finish out with something spectacular. I'm not even going to look at price. I'm just going to look at the picture of a house that I would want to buy, because again, I'm seeing great deals, even though the prices, as we saw, are going up. Man, look at this, 500. Ooh, look at this one. This is nice. Here, $500,000. Look, you get 2,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Look how pretty that is, okay? Look how nice it is. You come home, look at all the trees. I love the front yard. Inside looks really nice. Look, you got, it's 1-car garage, not the best thing, but look how nice that looks. What a nice looking house. It is a 2-story, not desirable, remember, 1-bedroom, 1 stories are more desirable, but the kitchen is insanely pretty. Again, 2,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This is going to be a big house, big rooms for sure, and you could see them. House looks really nice. Look at that deck. Look at that, just hang out. Imagine, you're with your friends out here enjoying the nice summer, barbecuing, having a good time. This is a really nice house. There is some really beautiful houses in North Carolina. But right now, again, with the market being where it's at, again, you're seeing the price coming down slightly. And I know it's not much, but remember, with the Fed rates with the rates going up and the economy slowing down, it's only going to make this. It's gonna make. I hate to say it, but if the economy slows down, we have more layoffs and higher unemployment. Then we're gonna see bigger supply of houses in the market. But also with the higher interest rates, where less people are going to be able to afford, it's going to create a mess. And that is going to basically force these prices to come down. So right now, probably not the best time to buy. Right now is the best time to really save as much money as you can. This is my opinion, of course, but basically build, on your down payment, because you're going to have an amazing buying opportunity really soon. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish this video. Guys, again, I want to let you know, if you guys want me to make a video on a specific city or a specific state or a specific house even, go ahead and comment down below and I will make your video. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like what I have to say, you like my videos, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and go ahead and like and leave a comment. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you on the next video.